Most will be opening up a new store, three new stores. That's in Elgon View in Eldoret. We'll also be opening up in Meru. We have not been in Meru. And also Ojijo Road, where we have a fantastic store in Ojijo Road, just as you actually go, so that we can be able to serve that customer who is actually heading towards Westlands, or also Kiambu Road or Thika Road, within that junction of Ojijo Road. A fantastic new mall that will also encompass, can be able to get traffic both from Oyakiwe and Thika Road and the Greater Ojijo Road. This for us is within a key strategy and a key sessions of what and where we need to be. We will also use this store as a store whereby we have looked at how we redo and repurpose our electronic offering. We had our electronic stores, we have actually come back and refreshed that particular category to give a leaner assortment and make the decision tree way easier for customers to actually shop and buy electronics as they actually progress on a day-to-day basis. So happy to be there, and happy that Naivas is actually making those particular strides as we actually go to become the $1 billion local retail company. Thank you.
Maybe in what time frame are you looking to open the new stores that you've spoken about?
Yeah, so we'll be opening them in sequences of 2 weeks. In 2 weeks' time, one store, 2 weeks' time, 2 weeks' time. From now.
Okay, you spoke of having a Mom's Corner in this branch. I think it will be the first branch in East Africa to have a Mom's Corner, because all along some of our competitors, they don't have the names. So what really drives you to this?
Yeah, so I'll actually say there are some malls that have an element of the Mom's Corner, but whatever we want to do is slightly different within the supermarket now. But yes, already we can see the Mom's Corner within some of the stores, but we'll be trying to actually come up with that bit in a more different, a Kenyanized way, and just make it easier for moms to actually be able to shop, as we actually have, and especially in the neighborhood store. You'll actually find that in most cases, Mom's Corners are in destinational shopping areas rather than actually having them in what you can actually call a normal neighborhood store.
What are some of the specific products which will be discounted for the period of weeks?
All categories will have product offers in all particular categories, including the ones that were existing before. That means in fresh, in alcohol, in food, non-food, the new ranges where we have our homeware, where we have our electronics and our clothing.
Yeah. Are you currently delivering orders?
Yes, we do. We have our partners. We of course have our naivas.co.ke where you can be able to shop, and of course we also have now partnered with Jumia, and we have always been the main anchor for Glovo, which shall continue being. What you want to do, and which you've been trialing out in Kiambu Road and Prestige, and I believe this is even a better store to actually also start implementing the same, is we have what we call
Tedio Biro, my name. My name is Tedio Biro, Chairman Nyayo Estate. We are glad to have Naivas here. Since the launch in December last year, I participated in it. They kept their word and they expanded the store to have all the categories of items that we have been asking for. Most importantly is also the listening ear that they have. We've given a lot of feedback. We are in a community that is very exposed, so every time there's something that they don't like, they always give feedback, and Naivas quickly adapts and corrects it. The one thing that I really want them to emphasize on is delivery. We've had the delivery services way before even the usual online delivery services from Glovo and the rest. Nyayo has always had a unique delivery system, and if Naivas can tap into this, because most of the residents are either work from outside Nairobi or even outside the country, you can actually place an order and let it get delivered. Like Willis has said, we are organized, and we have got well labeled court and house numbers, so it's much easier to get to deliver items into Nyayo Estate. We are happy that Naivas has basically brought up some life in this part of Embakasi, and creating a hub, so to speak, around within the complex they're in. I think they inspired likes of KFC. We've got Farmer Plus, we've got Auto Express coming. I understand even Java is on its way coming here. So we eventually will not have a reason to leave the confines of Embakasi, especially if you're working from home. You can get everything right within a few meters away from your home. Yes.
Say the estate as